Welcome to the first video of our Supply Chain Analytics series. Supply chains are the building blocks of our economic system, supporting the flow of goods from producers to consumers and creating wealth for people in many different industries. Uncertainty in supply and demand affects the efficiency of supply chains, which can lead to unfulfilled customer demand or excess inventory. Supply chain management includes not only the flow of goods, but also the flow of information and capital, and a unified supply chain management framework includes 5 key elements that characterize supply chains. First, companies source products or services from suppliers. Supply lead time measures the elapsed time between the moment a purchase order is placed and its delivery. Second, companies keep inventory to transform raw materials to finished goods. This duration is referred to as days of inventory. Third, the customers demand the finished goods and expect their orders to be delivered during the demand lead time. The sum of supply lead time and days of inventory determines how long it takes for an organization to create value for customers. The longer value creation takes, the less efficient the organization. Some of this inefficiency can be borne by customers if demand lead time is extended. Subtracting demand lead time from this total yields the decision lead time of an organization, which defines the demand risk exposure. The longer the decision lead time, the more uncertain the demand. If decision lead time is 0, organizations can collect customer demand first and then determine the procurement and production quantities based on the customer demand information. Therefore, the demand uncertainty risk is eliminated in this case. These operational dynamics describe effectiveness in creating value. When it comes to effectiveness in realizing value, we should look at the financial parameters. Companies collect payments from their customers within days of receivables and pay out to their suppliers within days of payables. The sum of days of inventory and days of receivables gives us an operating cycle, which determines how long it takes for an organization to generate income. To minimize the negative aspects of the operating cycle, companies extend the payment terms with their suppliers. Subtracting the days of payables from the operating cycle yields the cash conversion cycle. This parameter determines an organization's working capital needs and exposure to cash flow uncertainty. Organizations can often carry out their operational activities in alternative ways that impact the 5 elements of the supply chain framework. Decision makers need analytical tools that quantify the costs and benefits of their decisions. The Supply Chain Analytics book by Professor Ishik Bisher aims to equip readers with methods and tools to manage supply, demand, and cash flow uncertainties effectively. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website for updates and for more information on our Supply Chain Analytics book.